Hi there, I'm Tina and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a speed edit of one of my last portraits. So if you want to know how I did it, check out this video. This is the portrait I started with. It's a photo directly from the camera with no edits. And this is what I made and how I did it. This is how. I don't usually know what my portraits will turn out to be in the end, because the portrait becomes alive and grows in the making of it in Photoshop, while I add layers and textures, sometimes also butterflies or other insects. But it is in the process that the portrait comes alive. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to press that bell so you don't miss any new videos. I will see you next time. Bye for now.